So, with our YouTube video turned emergency operation, the only way out was through the same steep and slippery terrain that got us here. And now, we had to do it while the entire forest was flash flooding.
You can see the flash flooding. Now the path is locked off. We're gonna have to rope off multiple parts. It's gonna take us hours to get off this mountain.
Do you remember when I crossed this river and I was laughing? I'm not laughing anymore. I'm actually scared. And if I fall, that's the water.